The first thing you need to know about discovering property damage is that you have to do it right away after the event that caused the damage. So for example, if there's a hailstorm and it causes damage to your roof and you don't get up and check that roof within a pretty short amount of time, it depends on the insurance policy and the state that you're in, then the insurance company has the ability to deny that claim, in part because you may have violated a clause in your insurance contract that says that you have to check the roof right away and inform them of the damage. And in part because if something like 6 or 12 months have gone by, there could have been a lot of other things that caused damage. And if you can't point to it being an event that's covered by your insurance policy and say, yes, we know it was this because it just happened and we discovered the damage right afterward and it wasn't there beforehand, well, then your insurance company can say this might not be covered by the policy at all and they may refuse to pay. So first things first, know that if there's been an event that might have caused damage, you have to go inspect wherever the damage might be. Second, if you find damage, start taking pictures. Everyone's got a phone now that'll take high quality pictures, and you want to take as many as possible to document what was damaged, what it looks like, and you want to be able to send those photos to the insurance company so that they've got a good idea even before they send somebody out what they're looking at. Third, call your insurance company and cooperate with them. You do have a duty under your insurance contract to notify them right away and to cooperate with their investigation. They're going to want to send an adjuster or an expert of some kind out to take a look at the damage. They're going to want to get quotes on the damage, and you want to support them in doing that. If they say you got to be home to meet somebody to let them in, be home to let them in. It's okay if you want to hire your own person and get your own quote. In fact, there are something called public adjusters that a lot of people don't know about. So insurance companies have private adjusters, but you can hire an independent one for yourself to go in and assess the claim, or you can hire a contractor to come in and give you a quote directly. Either way, even if you do that, you can't tell the insurance company, no, don't bring in your own person. I've already gotten that part done. You have to let the insurance company do the investigation. Finally, when you turn in all this information to the insurance company, stay on them, make sure they're responding to you, but do give them time to process the claim. One of the more frequent reasons we have to turn down a new property and casualty client is because they haven't actually been denied by their insurance company yet. And the last thing we want to do is sign someone up, incur costs related to litigation or legal fees or whatever it may be, only to have the insurance company approve the claim and maybe we weren't needed in the first place. I would rather not have a client than have a client that feels like I took money for doing nothing. So give them time to work through that process, and only if really enough time has gone by that you feel like there's additional damage coming to your house or your house is unlivable or something like that, only then would I contact an attorney before you've actually been denied by the insurance company. Otherwise, I know it can take a while, but try to be patient with them. If it's not somehow causing a greater hardship on your life than you think you should have during that period.